everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, and I am back for Trinity stamps. I'm going to share with you this coffee themed card showcasing the Autumn Rainbow stamp set, the Autumn Rainbow stencil, the coffee mug card die set, along with the Thankful for You stamp set that I'm showing you here, and I'm only going to use the sentiments for this card. The fall and winter coffee lovers blog hop just started, which is why I'm sharing a coffee themed card today with you. And here is the stencil that I'm showing you along with the stamp set, and you can stamp all of those vein details for the leaves, and you can also purchase the coordinating dies. I'm also going to use a bunch of bows die set along with the new embellishments available at the shop. And to save some time, I've already die cut the card base using the die, and then also die cut another piece of Bristol Smooth white cardstock. And to color the leaves, I will be using some Distress Oxide inks today, featuring Worn Lipstick, Aged Mahogany, Mustard Seed, Fossilized Amber, and then I have Mowed Lawn, which I didn't use here. Instead, I use Crushed Olive and then Forest Moss. And I will be using my little finger daubers here today to add the colors, and I will just be layering the colors between the light and the dark, and then I will also use the stamp set to stamp the details of the leaves. So this is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'll just put some music on and I'll be right back when this is done. And this is what it looks like after it was done, and as you can see, it didn't really look as good until you stamp the veins of the leaves, and that's where it really stands out. To add a little bit more interest to this card, I'm also going to use Aged Mahogany and just add a little bit more color on the edges just to give it more detail. And for added interest, I will be smushing the Aged Mahogany Distress Oxide on a stamping block and then add water to it. Then use my watercolor brush to just add some splatters on this card. To finish my card design, I've added the sentiments using some liquid glue, as well as this gold bow from the Bunch of Bows die set. And then I will also be adding this embellishment here called Something New. It just added a little bit more detail to that nice bow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to click the like button if you like this card, and subscribe to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook and on Instagram. Thank you again for stopping by, and happy stamping!